Hey Therese, this is Sean Mitchell um, with Jessica LeClaire here on site at 2000 Rio Nuevo. Let's go to the left side of the house. I can see that there's this alcove, which is in fact the dining room, and that the stucco is in need of repair in this corner, and it's got a rusty corner bead there. We got a rusty corner bead and a stucco repair here. This pipe, we can demo it. We can demo this pipe, rip this off, stucco repair this, stucco repair that, so this pipe will be gone. And then obviously there's another corner damaged here, so it's pretty cut and dry what he's looking at. So we can basically I understand this is the repair. I just wanted to verify that you agree that this is what we're supposed to be doing. And then, as I heard you, we'll have them put drop cloths, and we'll make sure there's no paint chips or anything like that. And then we'll repaint this entire alcove, and then we'll do a little paint patch here just for that, because we don't want to repaint this entire wall